Everybody, welcome back and happy Monday. I hope everybody's doing amazing this Monday morning. I'm doing great, and you guys know the deal, and you know why I'm here. I'm back to present you with more remote work opportunities, so it should be 4 to 5 opportunities in this video, and we're going to get straight into it. But before we do, take a look at the screen and check out some of the reviews from my happy clients who have taken advantage of my resume revamp and review services. Some of them have landed interviews, have moved to the assessment stage, and of course, landed jobs. So if you've been struggling with your resume is outdated, and you just want to learn how to make your resume as marketable as possible, and if you want to learn anything else about this modern remote work landscape, then definitely check out my services. The link is in the description bar of every single video. I would love to assist you. So let's start off with a non-phone opportunity, and it's coming from the company Laser Away, which is a prominent chain of medical spas, and they specialize in cosmetic dermatology, laser treatments, and injectables. And right now, Laser Away has a part-time opportunity as an inventory support specialist. So part-time here, weekends are going to be required. I have the compensation highlighted for you. And with this one, you're going to be ensuring clinic compliance with best practices and standard operating procedures relating to inventory handling, storage, and discrepancy tickets. And you'll be investigating and resolving inventory discrepancies by working with staff in clinics, warehouses, and the inventory team. And you'll monitor the department inbox for all vendor invoices as shipments occur. And you'll also input inventory data into inventory management systems or ERP platforms with higher accuracy. You'll be checking all the tracking numbers to ensure purchased products were delivered and checked in within the clinic. And you're going to follow up weekly with stores to check in all outstanding dashboard items. You'll be managing communication on back-end transfers between clinics and also assist with month-end inventory reconciliation and cycle count. And you will provide additional support as needed. So they would like a high school diploma or GED, that's required of course, and an associate's degree in supply chain, business, or related field is preferred. They would also like 1 to 2 years of experience in inventory, supply chain, retail operations, or healthcare and medical office settings. Also experience supporting multiple locations such as medical clinics, that's going to be a plus. And then they have some technical skills. They want you to be familiar with ERP systems, also Microsoft Office skills, and have working knowledge of Google Workspace. Now, it's saying that this role may be performed remotely with occasional on-site visits to clinics as needed for inventory audits and or training. And you also must be proficient with Slack, Zoom, and other cloud-based inventory systems. So great opportunity here. Let's move on to another one. It's coming from Ensign Services, and this is the administrative support subsidiary of the Ensign Group, which is a major healthcare company that operates skilled nursing, rehabilitative care, and assisted living facilities across the U.S. And so right now they do have a billing clerk, so remote, full-time. I have the compensation highlighted for you. Now, you can be anywhere within the U.S. except the states that I have highlighted here, and they're letting you know that occasional travel may be required. So this doesn't sound like you're going to really be on the phone. You're going to be navigating multiple systems and clinical data to identify and bill Medicare Part B services. You'll also analyze that data to uncover billing opportunities and performance trends, and you'll be verifying patient eligibility and tracking claim statuses and reporting KPIs and key metrics, and also supporting system updates, process improvements, and virtual partners. They like strong communication skills, also experience organizing, validating, and analyzing data, and comfort with EMR platforms, reporting tools, and Microsoft Office, be able to learn new systems quickly, and experience with point-click care, Medicare, or SNF operations is preferred. And they're letting you know again that occasional travel is required, and a pre-employment criminal background screening is required as well. So our next opportunity is coming from J.G. Wentworth, and they are a major American financial services company. They're best known for purchasing future structured settlements, annuities, and lottery payouts in exchange for an immediate upfront lump sum of cash. And so right now, they are looking for a home equity processor. This can be in Chesterbrook, Pennsylvania, or remote in the U.S. You'll be reviewing and evaluating home equity cash out applications for completeness, accuracy, and compliance compliance, and also provide consistent contact with applicants throughout the processing lifecycle, providing timely updates and support. You'll be coordinating with home equity specialists, underwriters, title companies, appraisers, and other third-party vendors to obtain required documentation and resolve outstanding conditions. And you'll also be collecting, reviewing, and analyzing financial and property-related documents. So this could include income verification, insurance information, credit reports, appraisals, and title documentation. You'll need to make sure that all files meet the regulatory requirements, internal policies, and investor guidelines, and prepare and submit complete application packages for underwriting review and approval. You'll have a pipeline of application, and you'll need to ensure timely progression through each stage of the process. You'll be coordinating closing activities as well, and they would like a bachelor's degree. That's a preference, it's not a requirement, and a minimum of 2 years of recent experience in mortgage processing, loan processing, financial services operations, or related fields. You also need to understand financial documentation and have proficiency with loan origination systems and CRM platforms. Next up, we have Tompkins Community Bank, and this is a full-service financial institution. They offer business and personal banking and wealth management across New York and Pennsylvania. So right now, they're looking for a temporary remote banking specialist. So again, they do have headquarters in New York. I didn't see anything in this job application stating that you had to be in New York. This is going to be a full-time position, and it does have a minimum and maximum pay, which I do have highlighted for you. And so this is going to involve processing remittance payments received for customers according to the customer's requirements and the company policy. So you'll be balancing a variety of payment forms and checks, preparing customer deposits, and preparing work for remittance processing equipment. You'll also enter payments into the remittance processing equipment with the software and for completed work to customers. You'll be developing and maintaining priorities, also assisting with processing equipment maintenance, tracking processing volume information for customer billing, also researching and resolving customer problems, and supporting adherence to all internal policies, assist with troubleshooting, also testing new equipment as well. And so they would like a high school diploma or GED and a minimum of 1 year of banking or other related experience, proficient 10 key calculator skills, organizational skills, and also demonstrated ability to process work in accordance with a deadline. So these are all of the opportunities that I have for you guys today. And don't forget, I do include a list of these opportunities on a blog post on my website. That link is in the description bar of every single video. Don't forget to check out my resume review and revamp services. I'm definitely excited to assist some of you. And I will see you guys in my next video tomorrow. Please leave any questions or comments below. Good luck to everyone who gets to apply for the jobs.